Alright folks, welcome you all to the Telegram channel Chart and Equity. Market अभी काफी correct कर चुका है. Even market has broken the given support of 17,900. We have already given the Nifty analysis. You can check on the video on our YouTube channel and also on our Telegram channel. Now let's talk about some more indices. हम कुछ और indices का analysis करते हैं. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Let's go to the chart of Bank Nifty and see what it is doing and where we can find support or what it's gonna do. This is a weekly chart, a slighter bigger time frame, so to have a clear picture of the overall trend and the historical trend. So this is the channel, this is a trend line. So ये 2018 से लेके this one high is captured at 2018 at 27652. Then again it went on to kiss this in 27th May 2019, and here is one more kiss at 15th Feb 2021, and then one more kiss over here. It tried to break out from this zone above 40587 40600 levels, and it went on to touch 41829. Then with the market fall, it also came crashing down. So let's see where we can find support and what it's gonna do. यहाँ पे जो ये correction आया है, this can also be one more technical part is on a weekly time frame. It is making a bearish engulfing. A bearish engulfing at a very important trend line resistance zone. It can be a big it can lead to a big correction as such, one can say, or it can be also a signal of trend reversal from here, but it's too early to say. For now we are going to look for supports where Nifty is going to find supports. Bank Nifty is going to find supports. So this can be one trend line which can be interesting to see, which can give us some support area. It made a low of 30405 on 19th April. Then one more low on 23rd August 2021 at 34817. And then there was you can call it then there is a triangular breakout too. So we can find one support next week at this level 37637, and if this can also be a interesting zone again for a reason. The previous high was also there at this zone. Previous high was 37708, so it can again now provide cushion to the downfall, and so here it can be a very interesting zone next week from 37600 to 37650, or let's say 37550 to 37650. So this is the level to watch out for, guys, on the Bank Nifty part. Remember this is the spot Bank Nifty chart analysis we are doing, so don't confuse it with the future Bank Nifty part. And let's see what happens if it doesn't do any if it doesn't stay here and it corrects more from here. So this is again a very big trend line, a very important trend line, which is made from the Corona crisis low of 2020. Then again we have a low here at 18th May 2020, then one more low here at 21st September 2020. Now if we come to kiss this trend line again, it can be a very important zone, guys. Remember this thing, 34,800 to 35,000. Remember this mark for Bank Nifty. It can provide a very big support. It can provide a very big support, and it can also be a very good part to buy banking stocks or the Bank Nifty. Which banking stock, which we will talk about that part later. When it comes to at that level, we will do fresh analysis then. but for now these are the levels. 37,600, 37,500 to 37,700, let's say, and then 34,800 to 35,000. So this is the zone, guys, where we can look, and also we can do some shorter term time frame analysis to see if any averages or any confluence we are getting. So this is the daily time frame. We are going to put some averages on this and do some analysis, do some more analysis. Let's see if there is confluence on the levels which we have given, so to make it more strong. And so this is the zone we were talking about, 37,600 to 37,800, right? So we have one average here which is I think 55-day moving average, 55 exponential moving average, and then we can, okay, this can 144 can be important, but this is going to a very good confluence at 34,800 to 35,000, maybe 34,500 to 34,500 thereabouts, because we also have a moving average, a 233-day exponential moving average, which is at 34,119. So this trend line, this long-term moving average, will act as a very good support in case the market falls a lot more from where we are now. For now, look after the zone of 37,700, 37,500. Then if we correct more, then this can be the zone, 34,500, 34,700. So this is our Bank Nifty analysis. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe to our Telegram channel, Charts and Equity. Link and all you will find at the end of the video. So happy investing, folks, and be safe, be good.